Okay, this is our next problem. The drug label reads 800 micrograms in 1.5 ml. That's what we have on hand, and the order is for 0.6 milligrams. So we first need to find out what we're solving for. We're solving for mLs. So if you notice, this is micrograms and this is milligrams. So we know we're going to have to do a conversion because we're not going to be able to cancel these out. So you can still place it the same way, 1.5 milliliters on top and 800 micrograms on the bottom. Now here is where we cannot put this 0.6 milligram right here because it won't cancel out. So we have to do a conversion. Now we're going to have to make this microgram on top and milligram on the bottom. And we need to find the equivalents. So we know that 1 milligram can be converted to micrograms. And how do we convert it? By moving it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So it becomes 1,000 micrograms is equivalent to 1 milligram. So 1,000 micrograms is equivalent to 1 milligram. And we place it within the equation. So now we can place our 0.6 milligram on the top. We're going to check our answer. Does these cancel and these cancel? And we're left with milliliters. So yes, we can work it out. Now here, instead of going and removing the zeros and doing all that, since we have a calculator, we can go ahead and just use our calculator. But we can remove some extra zeros. So if we remove 2 from here, we'll remove 2 from here. So we're left with 10. So it'll be 1.5 times 10 times 0.6 divided by 8. And we should be able to get our answer, which is 1.125. If we're asked to round it off to the tenths, it would be 1.1. If we're asked to round it off to the hundredths, it would be 1.13. And the thousands would be 1.125. That's what our answer would be.